Hi, I'm Stephanie Dang, and I'll be using the June 2024 hip kits along with some cut files from last month to create this layout. I'm going to work on the main focus of my layout using this light pad. This particular light pad has 3 options in lighting. I always use the brightest because it helps me see better. Placing my chosen paper and my cut file behind it and flipping it backwards so I could trace over it with my light pad and a pencil. I tend to trace in the middle of the outer edges of my cut files. I fussy cut it and glue it down. Sometimes you might have too much lighting coming from the window, and so using the light pad might be kind of hard to see. So what you can do is move your light pad and your projects to a darker area, or use your hand to kind of cover that extra lighting from the window so that you can see while you're tracing. I got my background pretty much set, so I'm going to start working with embellishments. Now I'm using the ribbons that came with the kit, and this one you have to be extra careful when you're peeling the white film off after you have rubbed the little popsicle stick over it, just to make sure you don't accidentally miss a part. I'm loving this huge word font, and I'm using it as my title. A few bits and pieces and I'm pretty much done with my page. I hope my layout gave you some inspiration and you're gonna give this a try. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to us. Have a wonderful, blessed week, everyone.